I had this rattling noise on the passenger side. This is France, so it's on the right side. And I replaced the shock absorbers at the same time because I was there anyway. This was the culprit. It's as you see, normally it's two parts stuck together, but it was completely separated. Was completely separated one part from another when I found it inside the shock absorber. I replaced these parts as well. I think they are still okay, but I was there anyway. So these strut mounting, they were only like 16 euros, and this is a 8 euro 29 part. Normally it's stuck together and it lets rotate the shock absorber when you turn on the steering wheel. This is the part number for the plastic thing. This is the part number for the strut mounting, this one. Thank you for watching. Hope it helps.